Welcome to Shantalakshmi IAS. In this video, we will discuss the MCQs related to today's current affairs. First question. Consider the following statements regarding the Consumer Price Index. This is taken from the today's newspaper. Consumer Price Index, CPI. Actually, it tracks the changes in the retail price of goods and services, not the wholesale prices. It only tracks the changes in retail price of goods and services. It means the households which buy the goods and services, and that changes in the price of that goods and services will be tracked by the CPI. Okay, and this CPI is released by the National Statistical Office. Okay, and under this CPI there are subgroups like food and beverages, fuel and light, housing and clothing, bedding and footwear. Okay, these are the subgroups under the CPI. And this CPI captures the changes in price levels at the consumer level. Okay, at the consumer level, not at the producer level, at the consumer level. And also, it captures the changes in the price of services too. This is a unique point. Okay. And if you come to the question, it is released by National Statistical Office. This statement is true. It also includes the changes in the prices of services. This is also true. So we see that it also includes the changes in the price of services. And third statement, it calculates the changes in prices at consumer level. This statement is also true. Okay, it calculates the price at the consumer level. That's why it is named as Consumer Price Index. And which of the following statements are correct? Okay, correct statements are asked, and all 1, 2, and 3 are correct. So the answer is A. Second question. Consider the following statements regarding the UNCLOS, UN clause. Okay, this is taken from the today's newspaper. UN clause. Actually, it is an international convention. Okay, it has stipulated a framework for the country's jurisdiction in its maritime spaces. It has given a different legal status for two different maritime zones. It means this convention has divided the marine areas into 5 zones. They are internal waters, territorial sea, contiguous zone, exclusive economic zone, and the high seas. It has divided into these 5 zones. And you can see here, this is the internal waters and territorial waters, contiguous zone, and also the exclusive economic zone. Okay, and this is the high seas. This territorial sea is located 12 nautical miles away from the coastline of that parent country. And within this territorial region, this parent country is free to set laws or do any, regulate its use, and it can use its resources within this territorial sea. It has its full powers. And this convention was adopted in the year 1982. It is replaced the Geneva Conventions of April 1958, and after replacing it, this convention has created 3 new institutions. They are International Tribunal for Laws of the Sea, International Seabed Authority, and the Commission on the Limits of Continental Shelf. Okay, to come to the question, the wrong statements are asked. Okay, it is divided the marine areas into 5 zones. This statement is true. We have seen that it has divided it into 5 zones. Okay, it is defined the territorial water baseline as 12 nautical miles in which parent country is free to set laws, regulate use and use of its resources. This statement is also true. Okay, within this area, it can frame laws or it can use its resources. It has its full power for that parent country. So both 1 and 2 are correct. None of the above are wrong. The answer is C. Neither 1 nor 2 are wrong. Okay. Third question. Consider the following statements regarding the National Drugs and Psychotropic Act. This is taken from the today's newspaper, NDPS Act. Okay. This act provides strict provisions for the control and regulation of operations that is related to narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances. Okay. Under this act is prohibiting a person from producing, possessing, selling, purchasing, transporting, storing, and consuming any narcotic drug or psychotropic substance. Okay. And if a person violates this act, then there are severe punishments. Like if he commits an offense under this act, then it may attract jail terms from 1 year to 20 years. Or if he repeats this offense, like if he get caught under the act number of times, then there may be chances of death penalty. Okay, come to the question. Incorrect statements are asked, and possessing a narcotic drug without selling is not a crime. Possessing is itself a crime. So whether you sell it or not, it is a crime. So this statement is wrong. A person booked under this act cannot be sentenced to death in any circumstances. This is also wrong, because if he get caught or if he booked under this act number of times, then there are chances he may be sentenced to death. Okay, so this statement is also wrong, and incorrect statements are asked. Both 1 and 2 are wrong, so the answer is D. Fourth question: which of the following countries are bordering the Baltic Sea? Okay, this is taken from the today's newspaper. Baltic Sea is located in the Europe. Okay, and the bordering countries are Russia, Denmark, Germany, Sweden, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Poland, Finland. Okay, Baltic Sea. Actually, here it is Russia. People may confuse by seeing this option. Okay, these kind of questions are asked many a times, and this is a trick or it is a mnemonic to remember the bordering countries of the Baltic Sea. Okay, to come to the question, which of the following countries are bordering the Baltic Sea? Okay, Sweden, Finland, Poland, Belarus, and Slovakia. Sweden and Finland, Poland, all these three countries are bordering the Baltic Sea. So you can see here Sweden, Poland, and Finland are the borders of Baltic Sea, and Belarus and Slovakia are not the countries which share a border with Baltic Sea. So only 1, 2, and 3 are correct, and here it is option C. Okay. Fifth question: World Migration Report is published by. Okay, you need to make a note of that. If any new report or any report that comes in the news, then we should know the agency or the institution that is releasing that report or publishing that report. And here, World Migration Report. This is taken from the Down to Earth magazine. Recently, in the 2021 prelims, many questions have been asked from the Down to Earth magazine, so we should also follow this magazine. And this World Migration Report is released by the International Organization for Migration. Okay. If we come to the question, World Migration Report is published by United Nations Development Program, Global Migration Data Portal, International Organization for Migration, United States of America. And the answer is C. Okay, this is a factual kind of question, and to confuse you, the examiner may give options which are related to the original answer. So if you follow the current affairs, then you may answer this kind of questions. So here the answer is C. And that's for today. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.